that's definitely on me for sure. Thanks, April. Yeah, I'm like, thanks, Professor Dragon. I appreciate that, bro. Yeah, it is time to grind. Yeah, exactly, dudes. It's a new setup. What a time to be alive. I'm back at a familiar desk. I don't know if you guys remember this one, but yeah. So yeah, dude. Way too much work. I was a little loud on the music. I can turn it down. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna give another minute for everybody to get here. And what do you guys want to work on today? We can work on a lot of different things today. I mean, frankly, frankly, it's okay, cool. I can turn down the music. It's not a big deal. Oh, because my mic was low. Yeah. All right. So back up. So what's up, everybody? Kind of a not a very clean start to the stream for sure. But yeah, dudes, what's up? This is the OG desk. Yeah, I know, dude. This is an old desk, but I didn't even have time to set it up. Like, if you look at what I'm actually working on right now, it's like this is the only part of the desk that's actually clear. The rest of the desk is not. And my phone just died. Hold on. Whoa. All right, let me just fix my phone real quick. One sec. All right, chill. Okay, cool. Yeah, it just was like on like, oh my gosh, really? It was like on low battery mode, so I had to like, yeah, there you go. Sweet. Okay. Oh my gosh. What a time to be alive, guys. I barely made it. Okay, so I'm here. All right, we're working. It's happening. I'm scrolling through the chat right now. Grammar. You guys want to work on grammar? Okay, we can work on grammar. And chance? Yeah, we can work on chance. English? Let me see. Fractions, problems, circles. Yeah. You guys are praying for grammar? Well, I might have something for you then. I know it's on the wrong side, Saggy. Everything's on the wrong side, dude. It's like, what a time to be alive. Okay, so you guys want to do some grammar? We can do some grammar. I have grammar ready for you guys. Why? Because it's October, and October is what? Time to grind. So let's do some dude, Wiz, Tay just wants to do synthetic division. Bruh, that's not going to be on the test, so don't even worry about it. Okay, so grammar. Let's do some grammar. Grammar is going to be the first 9 to 11 questions of your test, and they're going to ask you a couple different things. And so, yeah, I have some grammar ready for you guys. So without further ado, let's get it. So this is actually not the first sentence I want to work on with you guys. I want to work on this first. Okay, this idea, right? Between the desk and the corner of the room, there's a small wooden stool. The stool was given to me as a present from my late grandfather. What is the best way to combine these sentences for clarity of idea? Oh, well, actually, we don't need that one. Hold up. Wait, what happened to the... Wait, yeah, actually, we don't need this. Okay, cool. That was actually something that I started working on, and then I was like, actually, no, I can't. I don't want to do this. So this is the new one, right? Here is the new one. Let me get rid of my phone here. Bang. Okay. So hopefully you guys can read this. I'm super hopeful that you guys can read this. I'll make it a little bit bigger so you guys can see it. But for the most part, this is about as big as it gets. Oh man, it's already so big. All right, let me pull this even bigger. All right, one more. All right, cool. So hopefully even with the blur, you guys are able to make this out. This is the passage here. You can read. Yay. You got an Ozymandias poem? Dude, we did that together, Tejas. we did that. I talked to you about that one. You guys really can't read this? Like, legit. At this point in your life, can you guys read this passage? Because I can make it bigger. It can be made bigger. And I will make it bigger just because I want to make sure everybody can get to this. All right, bruh. This should be your entire phone screen. So if this is not enough, then too bad. Okay, so since I have this this page covering my desk and I can't write down names, you can use the poll in the upper right corner of the screen. There should be questions 1 through 5. You guys throw your answers into the poll in the upper right corner, that little eye icon. And that way I can like register how much each I guess question got voted. The answer has to be A. I see you enough, boy. We're going to talk about this. A lot of people saying A, a lot of people saying D. So let's go for it, okay? So the first thing with this type of question is we have to maintain the ideas that's in place, okay? So the sentence starts with, the engineer looked down at the stone. The main noun of that sentence is the engineer. That's something to consider, guys. A bright reflection shined up from his eyes from the stone, and those are the two things that are going on. Okay, so A, the engineer looked down at the stone, which shined a bright reflection into his eyes. Okay, that's okay. That's a non-essential modifier ending a sentence. The stone is shining a bright reflection into the eyes. And that's pretty good. The engineer is still the main noun of the sentence. Let's look at D. The engineer looked at the stone. A bright reflection shined up from the stone to his eyes. So first off, this comma is a little sus. Because if that comma is for real, then this whole thing is a non-essential modifier. And if we took it out of the sentence, it would read, the engineer looked down at the stone to his eyes. And that actually isn't like real. So yeah, exactly. To his eyes part kind of ruins this. Also, what else ruins this? Notice that it says the word stone, and then it repeats the word stone. That's repetition, dudes. Like generally you want to avoid that when you are trying to be as clear as possible with ideas. So the repetition that's present in this, the fact that the sentence structure is kind of a mess, that's why D is wrong. Even though it's pretty okay, that's why it's wrong. The main subject of C is a bright reflection, which changes it really. We're kind of talking about the engineer. And then this one is about the stone, and it's written passively, was seen by the engineer's eye, and that's no good. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's how this one goes down. All right, Def. So throw your answer into the poll if you want to be remembered as a legend. Number 2. Here's number 2. Wait. All right, chill. Number 2, it's harder. Here's your redemption, bro. Here's your redemption. Okay. Dude, that's funny. Your mom, you're celebrating that you're sort of right. Good on you, bro. Yeah, this is crazy. All right, cool. So number 2, I don't want to read this to you because I think that sounds weird when I'm just like reading something to you when you guys can obviously read it. But yeah, this is the question. Yeah, you can put in the Hall of Fame. Was it introvert that got put in the Hall of Fame on Sunday? It's a little sus. Okay, cool. So here we go. Let's get it. All right, so Wiz is on B, Rohan's on B, April's on B, Asta Labor agrees. A lot of people co-signing that answer. Huh. Interesting. Saggy, nice. Spooky Melody, Leo, Ghost. Okay, Crunchy is being a rebel, going with A. Appreciate that. Prominence on B, Professor Dragon, Pews, Nate Blader, Guerrero, Nahar, yeah, Geek, yep, Shade, Rodney, yep, everybody's on B, dude. The redemption is absolutely real. Oasis on B, nice, bro. Xiao, that's what's up. Cool. Yeah, the last one was A, Rona. Dude, throw your answers in the poll because I want to see how badly my questions get BTFO. So I'm not going to go over this one super hardcore. Nobody picked D. I was really excited for D. No one picked it. So let's go through this. The sentence themselves say, the first flight occurred on a windy day. All right, that's pretty legit. A journalist was there to witness the first flight. So we talked about repetition in the last one. We have first flight written twice. So we only want to use it once, really. So yeah, what combines them? A, the first flight occurred on a windy day, witnessed, comma, by a journalist. This windy day witnessed, comma, by a journalist means we're ending the sentence with a non-essential modifier. And then the sentence would then just read, the flight occurred on a windy day witnessed. That's no good. The first flight witnessed by a journalist occurred on a windy day. Yeah, you guys nailed this one. This is a non-essential modifier. It's describing the first flight, and then it continues to talk about the first flight. With a journalist as a witness and on a windy day, the flight occurred. This one's actually pretty legit, but it actually is kind of, I don't know. It's like makes the journalist, and it actually doesn't point out the fact that the flight was the first flight, so that's actually way wrong. Same thing with this guy right here, D. All right, so chill. Let's go into the next one. Am I deleting these? I don't want to delete these. Hold on. I should have duplicated it, but did I think ahead? No. Why would I? All right, that's cool. So that's looking good. All right, how about that? Does that look good? No, hold on. Give me a second. There we go. Okay, so here are the very infamous precise language questions. We're only gonna do one of these. You only get one chance at it. So let's get it. Number 3, leaving the chef told them to keep up with the tasks. Let's get it. I miss static too. Dude, I don't know what happened to the static, honestly. Like, it just stopped happening. It's like, sometimes it just comes into my life and other times it's gone. All right, so keep in mind, these will be the first 4 questions of the test. You're going to see something similar to this. And just go ahead and throw your answer into the poll. Yeah, that's actually, that's super true, Wiz. Yeah, 9th grade SHSAT and SAT are pretty similar. Yeah. Yeah, so you can always use SAT material if you're studying for 9th grade. Okay, main things to say, Shade cosigns that. Yeah, me too, Mustard. Dude, it's thanks to you too, buddy. Saggy, Andrew Zhao, Pews, Melody, Asta Labor. Yeah, Spooky. Band Legend, Guerrero, Leo, Rodney, Nahar. Dude, you guys are absolutely incinerating this. So why? Why did no one pick D? What is D? D is extremely precise. What is wrong with D? Rohan thinks it's D. That's pretty solid. I did not have fun. I was just being as precise as possible. So do some people legitimately think it could be D? I want to talk about it because it could be a thing. Some people think it's C. I think Ricky came in with a C real quick. I don't know if he's just being spicy, but yeah, there you go. Brielle's on A. Zrizzy. What's up, Zrizzy? Thanks, Infernus. Miscellaneous is on D. All right, so there is a problem with D. And this is something that I want to bring up, and this is something that people don't talk about when they talk about these precise language problems, right? So we need to make a more precise version of each parts of these sentences, okay? So we need to be more precise when we're talking about him leaving. We need to give more information about the chef, the verb that he used, who this them is, and what this is that he tells the them to do. All of these things need to be more precise, and right now are really general. So let's look at A, because everybody's kind of flocking to that one. Walking out of the kitchen, that's a non-essential modifier starting the sentence, and it's a non-essential modifier describing the chef. I always bring that up so you can notice it. Walking out of the kitchen, the chef reminded the cooks to continue cooking. Walking out of the kitchen is more precise than saying leaving. The chef is the same, so we didn't get more precise there. Reminded is more precise than told. And the cooks to continue, or the cooks, is more precise than them, and to continue cooking is more precise than to keep up the tasks. What is wrong with D? If we are talking about precision and giving more details to a sentence, what is wrong with D? Isn't that the most precise way to say this? Isn't this the most precise? Like, what's your logic on it? Like, what is your reason other than not liking how long it is? What do you guys not like about this? You just saying it's extra? Well, yeah, but it's like more precise. Yeah, that's pretty true, Shay. That's kind of crazy. Yeah, well, maybe actually is precise unnecessary information. We don't know the chef's name. That's true. We still don't. Too long. Yeah, all of those reasons. Too precise. Ooh. Quantity over quantity. Ooh, that's actually really nice. So yeah. A lot of you guys are actually nailing it down, but you're missing the key, the absolute key, bros. Remember that we have to make every part of this sentence more precise. So let's just work our way backwards. To keep up with the tasks, he's telling her that they're telling his workers they must continue their work. We must keep up to it. So yes, that's telling him to keep up the tasks. That's pretty precise. Told them, well, here we have adoring employees and friends. That's very precise. So that's way more precise than them. Told, whispered softly, letting the air carry it. This is so dumb. Whispered softly, letting the air carry it. That's way more precise than told. The master chef of Le Pequoy, that's way more precise than chef. But what about leaving? Nothing. We changed the meaning. Taking the time to put on his elegant raincoat. That kind of implies that he's leaving, but not really. That doesn't mean that he's going to leave. So that's why D is wrong. It is changing the sentence, not making a more precise version. It's changing it because he's no longer leaving. Now he's standing there putting on his raincoat. That's very different. And so that's why. That's why D is wrong. Besides the fact that it's just like horrendous. All right. Hold on. My thing got unplugged. Okay. So yeah, that's why D's wrong. All right. So I do have to zoom out a little bit, just a little bit. So just you know what to do. We're trying to keep it polite. So if you can't read it, just smash your keyboard in all caps, and that's way I'll know that you can't read it. All right, because it's a little bit more of a paragraph, this one, and you have to kind of see the whole thing in order to kind of get context on the questions. And yeah, that's not big enough. I'm gonna have to zoom out. You guys are gonna like this, but it's good for you. It's good for your heart. All right, hold on. All right. All right, that's so close to fitting. Okay, the whole thing fits. We're in the game. I don't want to touch it, so here we go. Are you guys already smashing your keyboards? No way. No way they're static. No way. Oh, see you, Infernus. Peace out, bruh. No, I don't. It's not very frizzy. Okay, can you guys read this? Can you do it? Dude, no way. Is the static for real? You can't see. We got Red One and Nade Blader having some issue here. Nazir smashing his keyboard. Can't hear it. Static? Are you for real? Is the static back? Is it finally back? What a time to be alive. Yeah, this is an epic gamer moment. Wow. Okay, so if you're new to the stream, just know that I have really like junky equipment, so every once in a while static comes in. Yeah. that's what you're seeing. Okay, cool. So let's do this. Let's get to the question. This is as big as I can make it. So if it's blurry, you're just gonna have to do your best. So let's go. I'll give you guys like a minute on this one, minute and a half. Okay, Dan's has A. Go ahead, throw it up in the poll, Dan's. April's got B. Auditioning's on A. Xiao's on B. Rohan's on A. Yeah. That's good. Xiao's on B. Huh. Cosines. Melody's on A. Asta the Boar is on B with Fuse. Alright, Xiao. You got B. So does Ming. Nice. No, it's B. Shoes got B. Jennifer got A. Okay. Oh, that's okay. If you can't go to the poll, that's fine. But definitely throw your answers in the poll because I'm interested to look at them later. Pews is A. Crunchy's got B. Ghost has A. Rodney B. Zrizzy's on A. Okay. Wow, it's kind of split, bros. Nazir's on B. That's crazy. What a split. Okay. So, let's get into this. Let's go. So, it's pretty split. Guys, what should replace sentence 4 to properly set up the main idea of the passage? This is classic. What is the main idea of the passage? You got to know. And what it seems to be is the removing of varnishes and waxes. This kind of introduces varnishes and waxes and what they are, and their chemical composition. They've gone to great lengths to be able to remove them. And then we go into, semi-hard resin needs to be moisturized molecularly, for the molecules in the oil to bond, right? An oxidizing cream, that's all pretty much like chemistry stuff, right? So we're talking about these two different types of finishes, and then we're talking about the chemistry that's needed to get rid of them. So what's the main idea? I don't know, these two finishes and the chemistry needed to get rid of them. So looking at A, yes, it's more precise than the previous one, because now we're talking about varnishes and we're not being gentle, we're being rough. But when do we talk about being gentle with varnishes? And when do we talk about being rough? We don't really. See it, Professor. Yeah, we don't really. So, so that's why I think A is incorrect, because it doesn't talk about the chemical composition of removing it. It doesn't talk about the differences between waxes and varnish. I guess you could say waxes need to be rough and varnishes are being gentle, but the paragraph doesn't even really support that. So yeah, dudes, the answer here is going to be B. Conservatives have narrowed down removing waxes and varnishes down to the microscience. And bro, here is the microscience in the very next paragraph that fits super nicely. So just keep in mind that it has to fit in with the main idea, and make sure you identify your main idea first. And that's the easiest way to do this. Yeah, so it's B. It's B. Okay. So let me get rid of this. I'm going to copy it so I can paste it down below. All right, dudes. Here's the next sentence. Or here's the next question. Here's the last question of the, Here's the last question of the grammar stream. And then we'll go into some math. So let's get it. Number 5, which sentence is irrelevant and should be deleted? Everybody should get this one. Go ahead and throw your answers in the poll. Remember, listen to your heart. Follow your dreams. Yeah, A is good for reference to the previous paragraph, but it doesn't apply to the main point. It doesn't apply at all to the second paragraph, which is why I think A is incorrect. All right, then get it right, geek. You can do it, bro. All right, so Leo's on D. Ming cosines D. All right, that's pretty chill. Band Legends on D. Zhao, Geek, Ghost. Shades on C. Okay. Fuse is on C. Melodies on D. Lonely Things on D. Drizzy's on D. Saggy's on D. Ghost Outfall's on D. Vena's on D. Fuse is on C. Wow. Pews is on D. Wow. Wow. Okay. Leo's on C. Wow. This blows my mind. We're going to go over this one. Cred Hits thinks it's F, which you're a little off, my dude. Just a little bit off. Tejas is on C. Guerrero's on C. Okay. All right. Miscellaneous. Shad is on C. Crunchy. All the OGs. Goodness. It's, Hold My Richie is C as well. Okay. Zrizzy's changing up the answer. All right, so let's go through this one. That's enough time. So, guys, we need to think of what is relevant, right? So, a lot of people straight up said 9. Other methods exist, but blah guidelines have solidified around these practices. All right, that's talking about methods existing. It's talking about blah guidelines, and those are the people who are doing this conservationism. So that's pretty relevant. It's not talking about varnish and wax. I get that. But, I mean, it's in the same ballpark of talking about removing varnishes and wax and talking about the organization that does it. Whereas, look at 7, bro. This can be a messy process, though, so a clear area to work is necessary. That's just kind of... Is that necessary? Is that absolutely necessary for us to know that it's a messy process? Is it necessary for us to know that the other process is a non-messy process? Know what I'm saying? So Whereas 9 talks about the methods we use, it talks about the blog guidelines who do this conservation work, and it's talking about the practices that they do. 7 just talks that it can be a little bit messy, so make sure that you guys have a clean area to work. This isn't necessarily like an instructional paragraph. It's not teaching you how to get rid of waxes and varnishes. This would be in like a how-to manual, not an essay on conservation work at the blah of varnishes and waxes. So yeah, out of all of them, 7 is not crazy unrelevant or not crazy irrelevant, but it's enough. It's enough to be more irrelevant than any of the other options. Yeah. Yeah, so that's how this one goes down. um yeah, so thanks Geek for getting it right. Shout out to Geek. um yeah, so yeah, that's how this one goes down, and hopefully this makes sense for you guys as far as the relevant and non-relevant type of like stuff. I know it can be kind of difficult, but we'll continue to keep grinding on it. And yeah, we'll keep working in that kind of way. Okay, so let's see. All right, redemption. There is no redemption, Band Legend. I wish I could give you redemption, but I don't have any prepped. So yeah, it would be too hard for me to get rid of one. I wish I could give you redemption. I wish. So we have some time where we can work on some math. Math time. Math time. So what do you guys want to work on? What do you guys need help on? Oh, well then miscellaneous. What do you want to work on, bro? Linear systems? We can do linear systems. You suck at math? That's okay. A lot of people do. We could do linear systems. What about a word problem with linear systems? Think that sounds pretty chill? The redemption is real, but just not yet. Linear systems, logarithms. Stop suggesting logarithms, Venna. Those aren't even on the SAT. Yeah, let me see if I can throw you guys with a quick kind of linear kind of system of equations. Let me see if I can whip one up really quick. Could be 12. 18, 93 bits. Okay, cool. All right, cool. Here's the first one to start off with. Oh, you guys saw this before I even started? Whoops. All right, so I didn't know, and I can't really write too thickly on this desk. I gotta get my cardboard back. But yeah, here we go. Today, Analogy is 12 years younger than Anna. In 6 years, Analogy will be 3/5 of Anna's age. How old was Anna last year? Asta Labor got 30. Too late, Asta Labor. Can't change your answer. That's okay, Fuse. We'll go over them. Okay, Ming got 29. Melody. I know the timer didn't start. I know. Tejas, April, nice. OG's represented. Leo, nice. Cred hits. Cred, got you, dude. Ass to the port. Oh, the tragedy. Graduate school test problems? Yeah, maybe. I tutor that, dude. The GRE. I tutor that. Melody, I got you for 29. Wiz, 29. OGs represent. I'll give you guys like 10 more seconds or like 20 more seconds. Jason. Crunchy, Nahar. Oh my gosh. Rodney, Xiao. Nice. Okay, cool. That's enough time. Richie. I should have just called you Hold Mine. Pews. Dude, you guys are destroying this problem. Wow. Nade. Dude, you guys are absolutely destroying this problem. Okay, cool. I think I got everybody. Oh, Ricky. Not to be confused. Got you. All right. So so let's go over this because a lot of people got it. So I guess we'll see how easy it really is. Let me get a piece of paper to back because it's writing really badly on this desk. Hold up. Also, do you guys know that you guys have like, what is it, 2 more weeks, 3 more weeks into the test? Isn't that crazy? If you aren't already freaking out. Okay, cool. So let's go into how to do this. So the first analogy is 12 years younger than Anna. I'm going to use Y and A for these guys' names so I don't get confused. So analogy is 12 years younger than Anna. So is Anna's age minus 12 will equal analogy. That's pretty solid. Then in 6 years, analogy will be 3/5 of Anna's age. So analogy is not going to be the same age. In 6 years, she's going to be 6 years older. And Anna is going to be 6 years older too. So they're both going to be 6 years older. Now that they're both 6 years older, and analogy is 3/5 of Anna's age. So we go ahead and we take whatever this is and we find 3/5 of it. And that will equal however old analogy is in 6 years. 3/5 of Anna's age in 6 years. Notice that I added 6 to each of these. You can get into trouble if you forget to add it to both. Some questions, you don't add it to both. Like if it's giving marbles, one gets 6 and the other loses 6. But since it's years, they both grow at the same time and they both get +6. So now we have a system of linear equations. Whoa. And we can just substitute in. We're looking for Anna, so we're going to solve for A. So I'm going to change this to be Y plus 12 equals A. Just so that I can, actually, you know what? I am going to keep this version. Screw this version. All right, so we now know what Y equals. Y equals A minus 12. So every time I see a Y, I can plug in an A minus 12. Then 3/5 times 6 would be 18 over 5. Okay, simplify the left side. Okay, now I'm going to multiply both sides by 5 to get the denominator out of there. Multiply this by 5 as well. So what I get is 5a minus 30 equals 3a plus 18. Okay, so now I just solved this. I'm going to subtract 3a from each side. So I get 2a minus 30 equals 18. I'm going to add 30 to each side. So 2a equals, what would that be, 48? Okay, so then divide by 2, a equals 24. Okay, so a equals 24. That's how old Anna is. All right, so that's how old Anna is. 24, bros. Do you see that? So last year, that means she was 23. How'd y'all get 3, 30, and 29? What happened? What happened? How did everybody get 29? I made a mistake. I had to have made a mistake. In 12 years younger than Anna. Yep. +6, +6. 3/5 of Anna's age. Yeah. +6. So if she's 24, if analogy is 12, then Anna is 24. In 6 years, you'll be 18 and you'll be 30. That would 18 over 30 is 3 over 5. Yeah, I'm right. Dude, what happened? How did everybody get it wrong? What happened? Did the bandwagon get too hardcore? Dude, what? Oh, man. Nobody got it right. Oh my gosh, you didn't distribute Nahar? Bruh. Dude, I am blown away. Dude. Oh yeah, Tejas, you had the right answer. Okay, redemption time, bro. Dude, absolutely redemption time. Okay, cool. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna keep this up so you guys can see it while I'm figuring out this redemption. Incredible. Okay. Let's see. So no, 8. Okay, this should work out. All right, so just give me a second to whip it up. Redemption time, guys. Okay. Okay, here's the redemption. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, that was so funny. I can't believe the bandwagon was wrong. Okay, so let's get this, guys. System of equation. You guys can do this. Joe Man is 4 years older than Raldo. In 8 years, Raldo will be 7/8 of Joe Man's age. How old is Joe Man next year? And I'll give you guys like 2 minutes to do this one. Yeah, these are hard, Muster. I feel you, bro. But you got to be able to put word problems into algebra, and that's what these test. The actual okay, Red One's got an answer. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, why are both of these purple? Oh, I see. We'll just do this. Who said that? Red One? Nice. Okay. Dude, this is for the redemption. Okay. Buster is just going to pick an answer. All right, very nice. Good job, bro. All right, guys, I'll give you guys another 40 seconds on this. Okay. All right. What says this? Ming has this. All right. Take your time, guys. I'll give you another minute to do this. Tay just got 25. Pew's got 45. I actually don't know if this has one answer. Dude, I don't know if this question has one answer. No, it does. Yeah, it does. Does it though? Yeah, it does. Okay. A lot of people saying 25. Geek, skills, Nahar. Yeah, I don't know about this one, dudes. Cred. All right, cool. So that's enough time. So let me go through this one and show you guys how it goes down. So the first thing that we have to establish is that Joe Man is 4 years older than Raldo. So Raldo's age plus 4 is going to equal how old Joe Man is. That's straight up. In 8 years, Raldo is going to be 8 years older. Joe Man is going to be 8 years older. And Raldo will be 7/8 of whatever Joe Man's age is. So 7/8 whatever Joe Man's age is at that time. So here's our system of equation. So every time, I'm actually going to change this to an R equals J minus 4. And every time I see an R, I'm going to sub in a J minus 4. So J minus 4 plus 8 equals 7/8 J plus 8. Okay. So this will be J minus, or J plus 4 equals 7/8 J plus 8. Okay, so now I'm going to multiply this by 8 just to get rid of this 8 in the fraction. So this would be 8J plus 32 equals 7J plus 56. So that's where we're at right now with it. I'm going to subtract 7J from each side. So J plus 32 equals 56. Subtract 32 from each side. 32, 32. That's going to be a 4 and a 20. So J equals 24. Good job, dudes. The redemption's real. Next year, he's going to be 25. Yeah. Good job. Yay. Really, really nice. Really, really nice. Good job, everybody. Cool. All right. Chill, chill, chill. So in 8 years, he would be 32. And yeah, that works out perfect. Really, really nicely done. All right, cool, bros. Redemption is real. Okay. Oh, yeah, that happens. That totally happens. Yeah, you put Sheba, which is almost correct. Muster, you bandwagoned on the wrong answer, bro. Yeah. All right, cool. So that was the redemption. More age problems? You want more? Oh my gosh, really? You were the spy for the bandwagon? Could we do trig? Yeah, we can do some triangles. One more. Do you want a redemption? Do we need one more redemption for you guys to get this right? Complicated shaded regions? I could do that. Let's see what the chat thinks. Like 5-step ones? Yes, that's correct, Ricky. Age games will be most likely multiple choice. I just picked a random. Okay. Oh, good job, Jason. Nice. Nice. Yeah. What trig problem? Oh no, Tejas, somebody from OG8 got it right. Or OG9, rather. No, but you weren't the only one. Yeah. Other people got it. No, one more. More age problems. Okay. So I'm going to do one more age problem really quick. But it's not going to be a normal age problem. I'm going to try to throw you guys off. So just chill for 2 seconds, and then we'll get into some geometry. I think we can do a little bit of a longer stream today. So we'll get to everything. Let's say, or let's do. Okay. Let's see. All right, chill, chill, chill. Last question. I'm gonna give you guys a hard timer for this one, and then we'll go over the answer really quick. So I may not get everybody in the answer. So let's get it. I'll give you guys 2 minutes. Pador and Bo have pens. Pador has 3 more pens than Bo. If Pador gives 10 pens to Bo, Bo will have 2/3 the amount of pens as Pador. How many pens do the 2 men have combined? Let's get it. Oh, really? Dude, did nobody get it in the OG9? Tejas? Definitely, I'll take this opportunity to shout out all the new viewers watching the stream. What's up, guys? We're going to be grinding up until the test, so definitely sub if you're not already to see all the new content that I'm going to be dropping in these next 2 weeks. And yeah, definitely drop a like, and thanks for hanging out. That is 2/3. That is 2/3. That is a 3, even though it is horrendous looking. That's a 3. 2/3. Dang, good on you, Tejas. That's a hard problem, bro. That was an SAT problem. It was the one with like sine, cosine, and tangent. All right, dude. It's about 10 more seconds. Okay. So, Zrizzy got 40. Got you, bro. 170 from Sky. Word. Some answers are coming in for sure. Auditioning got 90. Let's see. Asta Labor also got it. Okay. Red Juan got 40. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard to not be influenced. What? What is that about? Okay, whatever. Whatever. Yeah, I know. I need to check my messages. I know. All right, hold on. Let me make sure this is all working. My OBS basically was just like, nope, we're not going to work for you. All right, hold on. I don't know why it locked like that. That's so weird. I think it's because I ran out of space on my phone. Whatever. Okay, we're back in action. Slight detour, bro. Slight detour. Yeah, dude, I know. I need to get a new background for my phone, but I just don't care enough. Yeah. Okay, so it's still kind of bugged, but it should be fixed now. It should be fixed. I did update my phone. That's the tragedy of it. I did update my phone. Yeah. Yeah, so let me go into how to do this one because I'm getting a lot of different answers here. I got 140 from Leo. I'm kind of shocked. Crunchy got 90. Crunchy. Rodney got 32. Rodney. All right. So Dan's got 110. Got you, Dan's. Yeah. And then Zhao got 110. All right. Zhao got it too. All right, cool. So let's check it out, guys. Let's see how this goes down. So first thing we have to do is to represent that Pador and Ben have pens. Pador has 30 more pens than Ben. So Ben plus 30 will equal however many pens Pador has. That's our first step. If Pador gives 10 pens to Ben, so Pador is going to be out 10 pens. Ben is going to be plus 10 pens. Bo will have 2/3 the amount of pens as Pador. Did you guys get this? This P minus 10 and this B plus 10, because in the age game, they both get older at the same time. But P stands for how many pens Pador has now. B stands for how many he has now. So when P gives away 10 pens, we have to represent that. We also have to represent that B gets 10 pens. So the new amount for Pador is going to be P minus 10. And if you take 2/3 of that, then you'll get what B has after he received 10 pens. So that's how this goes down, right? Hopefully you got this. This is the basically turning algebra into, turning words into algebra, and it's the hardest part of it. So if you got that, you're good to go. We're looking for the pens combined, so it doesn't really matter. We're going to sub in B plus 30 every time I see a P. But first thing I'm going to do is, I'm going to just go ahead and do that. B plus 10 equals 2/3 B plus 30 plus 10. That's kind of ugly, but you guys get what I'm saying. So let me rewrite this so it's not horrendous. Equals 2/3 B. This would be plus 10, plus 30 minus 10, so plus 20. Sorry for how ugly that is. So this is what we have. I'm going to multiply both sides by 3 to get that 3 out of the denominator. So what I get is 3B plus 30, because I'm going to multiply this side by 3 too, equals 2B plus 40. Subtract B from each side. I'm running out of room. Subtract B from each side. B plus 30 equal 40. Subtract 30 from each side, and B equals 10. So that's how many pens B started off with, 10 pens. Pador has 30 more pens. So that means that if B has 10 pens, Pador has 40 pens because it's 30 more. So how many do they have combined? 50. 50 pens. Bruh. What? Nobody got it. Did I make a mistake? Yeah, it's 50, Crunchy. Because I'm asking how many pens do the two men have combined? And the answer to that would be 50. Dude. Geek, you didn't write down the answer, bro. Well, Melody, you got it if that's your answer. Yeah. Minus 10, yeah. Dude. I'm shocked. I'm absolutely shocked. Wow. Hold my Richie, we can do another one. Yeah, we can. I mean, maybe we do need to do a redemption. Not a single person got it right in the chat. Wow. That is shocking. Oh, you wrote it in chat? Geek, did you save us? Is there one right answer in the chat? Dude, Geek. Geek got it. Shout out to Geek. Geek got 50. Nice, bro. Nice. Yes. P minus 10. No, so Mustard, it won't be B minus 30. No, it won't. Because this just represents that B needs 30 more pens to equal P. That's all this 30 represents, is that in order for these two things to be equal, we need to add 30 to B. That's all that represents. And so when we take away P, 10 pens from P and give them to B, we don't need this 30 anymore because obviously this 30 would not make them equal because P just got rid of 10. So maybe a 20 would be the justification? I don't know. Yeah, really, really nicely done. Really, really nicely done. Bruh, you guys, I can't believe so many people got it wrong. Geek got it right though, so shout out to Geek for sure for being an absolute legend. Complex shaded region? Yeah, we can do that. We can definitely do complex shaded region. Press the volume button. Why, dude? Where did I get the 30 and the minus 10 from? I could show you. So the first sentence says, Pador and Bo have pens. Easy. Pador has 30 more pens than Bo. So to represent that, keep in mind, bros, that it's super important. P is the number he has now, and B is the number he has now. That never changes. So to represent the equation now, all this says is that B needs 30 more pens to equal the amount of pens that B has. So that's the first kind of thing. The second thing, we just need to represent that if P gives away 10 pens and B receives those 10 pens, then in order for them to be equal, that 2/3 of the amount P has now is what B has now. So that's how this kind of goes down. Yeah, it's kind of hard. I for sure feel it. Yeah. Cool. So yeah, it can be difficult, dude. Okay. So what is the formula? There is no real formula for this. It's just kind of like, yeah, just like straight up, just like mathematically putting it together. Yeah. Yeah, Tay just got caught in the filter. That's kind of funny. All right. All right, so I know you guys are like, no more, but you guys need a redemption for real. You guys need the redemption, and I'm gonna give it to you. So here's one more age problem that we can do, and then we can move over to geometry or whatever. So let me put this together. Let's just see. So, okay. All right, let's just do that one. Okay, and then let's 5. So let's see, 6, 3, 7, 4, 5. Yeah, let's do that. So then it would be 16. Okay, cool. Or actually, no, let me restart this one. All right, here's the question. Final redemption. Dudes, we can do geometry after this, Magical Dragon. Final redemption. Press the volume button. What volume button? Do you guys need more volume? Is that what you're saying? Is it too quiet? Because I can definitely increase the volume if that's the question is. Yeah. I don't even know what volume button you're referring to, frankly. Okay, cool. So, on my phone. Yeah, whatever. All right, so let's check this out. Ready? Here's the question. 2 minutes. Ash is 4 times as old as Bean. In 5 years, Bean will be 2/3 of Ash's age. How old is Ash today? Oh, yeah, hopefully it's a little bit better now. Oh, yeah. No, I'm just the volume button on my phone. Why do you guys want me to push the volume button on my phone to take a video? Doesn't that just start the video? Why? Yeah, sorry, Sean. I know you guys feel like you're muted. I just am like absorbed in the problem trying to get it done. So yeah, let me read the problem again. Ash is 4 times as old as Bean. In 5 years, Bean will be 2/3 of Ash's age. How old is Ash today? Okay, first answer coming in on Rodney. 4, Rodney. Got you, dude. Cred, got you. Welcome to the chat, Cred. Oh, to see my volume thing? Go on homepage. Ming. Oh, you want to see if I updated my thing? Spooky? Yeah, my volume thing is on the side now. April?
12 for Psy.
Cred, I got you, bro. Yay! The redemption's real. Melody. Okay. Ooh, change your answer, Melody. Xiao. Too late. Too late. I already take your first answer. Saggy. Word. Muster. 6 for 0. Got you, bro. Crunchy, Nahar. Nice. Word. Astalabor. Shad. Word. Jason. Leo. Dude. Yes, the redemption's real. The redemption's real. Henry. Wiz. Rona. All right, cool. Geek. Anisha. Right on. Right on. Yeah, I know, Melody, but I only take your first answer because I think it's funny. All right, cool. So let's go into this. Yeah, they would be easier because of multiple choice. That's for sure. Melody. Ruffian. Tejas. Tejas. Undercover. Okay. Yeah. Band Legend. Band Legend got 0.24. All right, Legend. You're either a genius or you're way out there. Vena. All right, cool. I'm going to cap the answers. So, let's go into this. First sentence, Ash is 4 times as old as Bean. That means B needs to be 4 times as big to equal A. Got him. 5 years. Bean is going to be 5 years older. Ash is going to be 5 years older. No lie. And Bean's going to be 2/3 whatever this new age is. So whatever that new age is, B's new age is going to be 2/3 of that. So now we're just going to sub in. Every time we see an A, we can sub in 4B. So B plus 5 equals 2/3 times 4B plus 5. Chill. I'm going to multiply both sides by 3 to get rid of this 3 in the denominator. See you later. So what I get is 3B plus 15 equals 8B plus 10. Distribute that 2 to both terms and distribute that 3 to both terms. So now I'm going to subtract 5B from each side. 15 equals, or 3B from each side. 5B plus 10 minus 10 minus 10. 15 equals 5B. That means 3 equals B. His B is 3. Does that work? Does that work? Because that's a different answer than I got. How did I get that? B is 4A. In 5 years, B will be 2/3 of A. Wow. So then if B is 3, that means A is 12. And in 5 years, that would be 8 and 17? No, that's not right at all. So I made a mistake somewhere. Where's my mistake, bros? Where's the mistake? Oh, 15 minus 10 equals 15. Ah! Oh! Dudes, on your redemption, I need a redemption. That is not a 15. That is a 5. And that would be a 1. But, dudes, I did check my answer, and I was very suspicious. It's not like I moved on. Okay, cool. So yeah, B equals 1. Thank you. The chat is so smart. The chat's so smart, dude. It's so smart. That's right, dude. So you guys passed. That was your last test. I actually subtracted this wrong on purpose. I did 15 minus 10 equals 15 on purpose to see if you guys caught it, and you guys did catch it. So you guys passed. Congratulations on passing the first test, the first real test. So for those of you who called out that wrong substitution, good, that you guys passed the test. Good job. For those of you who are also like kind of confused when I was pretending to be confused, you guys didn't pass the test. So that's how this one goes down. How does 2/3 times 4 equals 8? Because I times both sides by 3, and so I eliminated the 3 out of 2/3, and so it was just 2 times 4 and then 2 times 5, because I eliminated the 3, and then I had to multiply this side by 3 to get rid of it. So that's how that one works. The real redemption is the friends we make along the way. April, that's right. You passed the test, Zao. You passed the test. Yeah. Okay, so that's how that one goes down. So the redemption's absolutely real. Look at these absolute legends. Wow, what a time to be alive. We can do some geometry problems if you guys try to convince me there's static. I know there's no static. The static's gone. It's gone. It's left me. It's never gonna come back. Yeah, dude, that'd be tight if I could have 3 million subs, dude. That'd be awesome. I was just so pumped to get to 1,000. Honestly, the whole community was like grinding so hard just to get to 1,000. Like 1 million just seems so far away, bro. Good job, Zao. Dang, cred hits. That's deep, bro. That's real talk right there, dude. So yeah, let's do some geometry for sure. Is this a super stream? I don't know, bro. I honestly don't know. Well, yeah, Ming, that's fine, dude. If you get into a specialized high school, it doesn't matter what your grades are, dude. Yeah, I was betrayed. All right, cool. So let me do a geometry problem that I think would be hard for you guys. Let me see if I can make something really difficult for you guys. What would be hard? Be like a... Ooh. That would be... I could see that. Yeah. So let me see. I'm trying to think of something that would be hard because the OGs in the stream are going to be so good on this that I want to make sure that it's an actual real question. See you, Jason. Take it easy, bro. Thanks, Views. I appreciate that. Yeah. So cool, man. Let me see if I can think of one that's kind of creative and interesting. I don't want to do anything that's too kind of standard, because then the chat will just crush it. Something like that. Okay, yeah. Let's see. All right, I will make a complicated did. I will make a complicated did. I swear. All right. So I think I've already done a problem like this, so I don't want to do too much like this. Okay, yeah, this is what it's going to be. So let's see. First, make a beautiful circle. Then, where's my ruler? Where did you go? Oh no. Dude, my ruler is MIA. Oh no. All right, we're just gonna go in live. That's pretty okay. All right, I'll take that. Okay. All right. Okay. 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 And then let's say this is so then that would be, yeah, that works out. Okay. All right, here, ask and you shall receive. I can give you my brain, dude. It may not work once it goes inside your skull. It may not like connect it properly, but yeah, I'll give you my brain. No problem, bro. I will pray for you, Ming. I really will. Just reading some of the chat while I was like writing this. That's funny. Okay. So let's do this problem. We did do this one similar before, but I have switched it up a little bit because I want to make it hard for you guys. Here is the diagram. Okay. 3 minutes. Let's get it. So that's a circle, and just to let you know, that 8 feet is the diameter of that circle, and that half circle line is on the line of that rectangles. Okay, yeah, go ahead, Dragon. I'll give you guys a couple minutes for this one because I want to make sure that you're able to do it. I don't know skills. I'll probably end it pretty soon, though, to be honest. You guys can do it. Just remember to have fun. You could do it, Fuse. It's a rectangle. We got some triangles. We got a circle. That's all that's going on, dude. And I just threw all of them on top of each other to make it as hard as possible. Yeah. You're just going to wait for the answer? Dude, you can do it, man. You can do it. Like, just give it a shot. Yeah, that happens sometimes, RTs. Like, if your score is boss enough in one section, it can overcome not finishing another section. Yeah, you can do it, Zhao. Just grind through it, dude. 65 minus 8 pi. First answer. I'll try to write these as small as I can. Ming. Okay. Got you, Ming. Just 8 pi straight up. Okay, 8 pi. That's Henry. Ooh, retracted, but not quick enough, dude. Yeah, no multiple choice on this one, bro. I can teach you physics, Shad. I almost minored in physics in college, bro. Social studies? That's good, man. Just read the dictionary. 68 minus 8 pi. Okay, we have 68 minus 8 pi. All right, that's chill. And that was dark, I think. Nice dark. Saggy got 68 just straight up. Okay. 6 pi plus 32, Vena. Dude, this was a hard one. Throwing up and having panics attacks? Oh my gosh. Fuse got 66 pi. I know you can't see me write down your answers, but I'm writing them down. Fuse. Maybe. All right, so we're coming up on 3 minutes here. Muster got 100 minus 26 pi, 100 minus 26 pi. All right, cool. We're coming up on 3 minutes here, and I'm going to show you guys how to do the answer. Wow, that's my headphone cord. All right, bros. Yeah, I'm like working in a very cramped space. I don't know if you can tell from my handwriting. Ruffian got 52 straight up. I'm going to write you up top here, Tejas. Nice. Okay, cool. Fuse got 66 pi. I got you down here, Fuse, for sure. Skills got 8 pi plus 52. I don't have that yet. 8 pi plus 52. Skills. Mustard got 100 pi minus 16. That's muster. All right, cool. All right, so let's go through this question and let's see how to get it. I see your answer there, auditioning. Dude, April, what was your answer? I didn't even see it. Negative 44? I don't think that's right, bro, but okay. All right, so let's go through this one. I'm going to pull it up to the photo so you can see the whole thing at once. So the first thing that we're going to have to deal with is finding the shaded region of this top area. First off, we know we're going to be dealing with a half circle, then a triangle cut into that half circle. So the radius of this is going to be 4. Okay, so that's going to be the height of our triangle. So just keep that in mind. But for now, that's our radius. So the area of this circle is pi r squared, or in other words, 16 pi, because 4 squared is 16. So dealing with the half circle, it's going to be half that. And so the half circle is going to be 8 pi. But we don't have the whole half circle shaded in. We have to subtract however big this triangle is that's blocking it. So the base of this triangle is 8. The height is 4. So 1/2 base times height would be 16. So 8 pi minus 16 is this top area here. That's what this represents. These two patches is 8 pi minus 16. This would be 4 pi minus 8 and 4 pi minus 8 if they're equal, which I think they are. Next, we have a half circle dug into this rectangle. So immediately, whatever the rectangle is, well, it'll be 6 and 16. So 6 times 16 would be the area of the whole rectangle without anything missing. 6, 36, 96. So the whole area of this rectangle, before we take away anything, is 96. Then we're going to take away this half circle. So we're going to take away 8 pi. Then we're going to take away these two triangles. These are two right triangles. They're 3, 4, 5 triangles. You could do the Pythagorean theorem and you can get it. But you could just also remember that it's a 3, 4, 5 triangle. You know what I mean? So let's see. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so let's keep cruising. So this would be 1/2 base times height. This would be 6. This would be 6. So we have to also subtract 12 from this 96. So let's organize our thoughts here. From the bottom, we have 96 minus 8 pi minus 12. That's what's in this box. Then we add what we have upstairs, which is 8 pi minus 16. 8 pi minus 16. Bros, do you see it? These pi's are going to cancel out. This is minus pi. This is plus 8 pi. So what we get is 96 minus 12 minus 16. Or in other words, 96 minus 28. And that's going to be our answer. $68. Yeah. That's it. That is, ooh. Saggy, my dude. Good job, dude. Good job. Yeah, dude. Yeah, exactly. You lose track. Right. That's all they can do to you on these problems. Notice, all I did was the area for a half circle, then the area of a triangle, then the area of a rectangle, an area of a half circle, area of triangles. That's all there is to this. But when I slam them all together, a lot of moving parts, bros. Yeah. So, Fuse, you got 68 too, bro? Yeah, exactly. The radius is 4. Yeah, good job, Saggy. Wow. You put 68 cred? Yeah. I got you for a different answer, bro. Or was that for the previous problem? Maybe you did push 68. Maybe I should go back and look. Really good job though. How did I get a 6 in the triangle? Okay, so these triangle is a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. We could do the Pythagorean theorem, 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared all day. And so 1/2 base times height would be 1/2 4 times 3, or 1/2 12, or 6. So that's a 6, and that's a 6, and that's why I subtracted 12 out of the rectangle. Yeah, so that's how I got those 6s. Bruh. Oh, your finger slipped? That's tragic. Absolutely tragic. Oh, no, you didn't put anything? I'm thinking of the last problem, cred hits. Yeah, you can still be a G. Don't worry about it, dude. There was a typo? Oh, no. Oh, that's tragedy, dude. Yeah, so that's how that one goes down. 6 is the area. Yeah. Okay, cool, dudes. Yeah, wow. I'm surprised. Saggy. Shout out to Shaggy. Good job, dude. Yeah. All right, so should we do a redemption? I don't even know. That was so complicated. How would we even do a redemption? How would it even happen? How would we even do it? Can you do triangles? Yeah, we do triangles. Yeah, dude, Saggy, you crushed that problem, dude. No, they do not give you a calculator. So you have to get like super, super used to like doing subtraction and doing like addition and stuff like that. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Yeah, what should we do next? People are saying triangles, redemption. Zao just wants a super stream. Triangle? We could do triangles. You guys want to work on triangles? We could definitely do that. Huh. All right, let's do that. How do I make it really hard for you guys? All right, let me give you another one like this. What a time to be alive, April. See you later. All right, so. Okay. 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 Would that be too hard for you guys? Yeah, that might be too hard, but we're gonna do it anyways. Let's see. Let's just say. Um, let's see. So that would be 8. So then this could be. Okay, here is the question. All right, this is going to be so chill. All right, let's see. So. Um, all right. And I don't know the answer to this question. So let's get it. We know that ACDE is a square, EBD is a triangle. The radius of this circle is 8, and the area of this square is 16. Give it to me in terms of pi. Okay, dude, send me the link to the video shot. Yeah, 630 is pretty good, cred hits. But yeah, keep in mind that that's only a third of an SHSAT, so like stamina comes into it like a huge part of it, dudes. (64 pi minus 8). So Henry got straight up 8. 64 pi minus 8, and that is Pew's. Ming. Dark. Dude, Melody. Welcome to the stream, Melody. Dude, yay. Dude, the redemption is so real. Saggy, yes. Ghost got 8 with Henry. Got you, dude. Dude, I think Ghost, you solved for the shaded region, bro. You guys solved for the shaded region, not the unshaded region. You got swerved. Crunchy, auditioning, Tejas undercover. Nice. Dude, Nahar, skills. Yeah. Dude, Dan's. Word. Nice. Nice, nice. Dude, good job, everybody. You meant minus. Yeah, I got you, Xiao. Don't even worry, dude. I ain't worried about it. Zrizzy. Zhao. Dude, that's nice. Good job, everybody. Yay! Everybody did it, except for you two who solved for the shaded region. So shout out to Ghost and Henry for solving for the shaded region. Shout out to these absolute legends for solving the actual like the actual thing. Vena, I see you, dude. I see you over there, bro. Cred hits. I see you. I got you guys. Vena and Cred. Nice, dude. Nice. Cool, man. Oh, and Richie's got it too. Word. Habib. Dude. All day. All day. Thanks, Henry, for making that mistake so all of us could learn from your mistakes. Nazir, that's so brave of you, dude. How did you find the other sides of the triangle? I only found 4 so far. The other sides of the triangle? Yeah, I could show you. So I'm gonna show you how to do this problem now that we're like pretty legit on the answer. First thing we need to do is to know that if the area of this square is 16, this side length is 4, and this side length is 4. One thing that you can know is that when a triangle is in this square like this, that you know it's going to be half of the square, but we don't need to do that. We could also just say that the base is 4 and the height is 4. So we know that this is going to be, at least the triangle is going to be 8. So it means that the shaded region here is 8. And so this shaded region is 4, this shaded region is 4, and those are the only things that are covering up this circle. So we just need the area of the circle, which is pi r squared. In our case, our radius is 8, so our pi r squared is 64 pi. And then we subtract that 8 that those two triangles represent. And yeah, that's how we get to the answer really quick. Bang. Really nicely done, bro. Really nicely done. Yeah, dude, we did trig on the OG stream, Tejas. We can do that again this weekend, dude. Yeah, we can't do too much trig on this stream, dude, just because I can't justify it. Like, there's not going to be sine, cosine, and tangent for 8th grade, and very, very most likely the 9th grade. So yeah, if you need some trig problems, Tejas, just shoot me an email, dude, and I can hook you up with some pretty difficult trig problems for SAT and ACT and for GRE type stuff. If you're really interested, go into quantitative comparisons. That's what you need to look at. Those are crazy. Yeah, it's just triangles. Yeah. All right, shout out. Yeah. All right, dudes. All right. So that's it. Can you How to get 64 again? Yeah, I can go over that. So just so you know, the radius of the circle is 8. And so the equation for the area is pi r squared. Remember that it's r squared because we're going to be dealing with square feet or square yards or square miles. So we're going to use the pi r squared formula. And when we plug in 8, our radius squared, what we're going to get is pi 64. And so I just reversed that and I said 64 pi. So that's how that goes down. You did a SAT practice test and got a 32? Wait, an SAT practice test? See you, Rizzy. Take it easy, bro. Yeah. Dude. How did I get 8? Because it just says the radius is 8. That's why. Yeah. Yeah, dude, I don't know if this is going to be a super stream. I don't know what else I can talk about. I'm like out of things to talk about. We did grammar. We did trigonometry. We did some triangles. Are you sure that wasn't an ACT test, Tejas? Yeah. Is there gonna be trig? No. I mean, and if you're taking the 9th grade one, maybe. But dude, even on the SAT, sometimes tutors don't teach the student trig just because it's so rare, even on the SAT. So I wouldn't worry about it. Yeah, life advice, dude. Some life advices, dude. Your brain is a muscle, so just know that. Like if you wake up 5 minutes before you need to leave, and then you leave and you rush and you're late for the test and you show up, dude, good luck. You want to like relax it, dude. You definitely want to relax it. Ratios. Wait, what are you asking, Estelabor? Consecutive integers? Yeah. Life advice. So yeah, dude. First off, you're going to be getting your tickets really soon. If your test is in the morning, start waking up in the morning on the weekends. Start getting your brain ready. Even if you just like wake up, eat some food, and then run around the block just to get your blood pumping, then you'll be awake for sure. Like being sleepy and just dragging yourself to the testing place, dude, you need to be in the top 3%. So just consider this like your Olympics. Make sure you eat a really good dinner the night before and you wake up and you have like a decent breakfast so you're not hungry during the test. It's going to be 3 hours, dude. 3 hours long, and there are no breaks. So think about it. When's the last time you sat in a chair without your phone for 3 hours, dude? And there's nothing going on in the room. So just get your brain ready mentally for that, because that's kind of crazy, dude. That is kind of crazy. You wake up at 8 on the weekends. That's what's up. That's what's up. Yeah, that's pretty true, Fuse. That's pretty true. What's the earliest and latest possible time for taking the SHSAT? I think there's generally a morning and an afternoon testing on Saturday, and then there's a morning and afternoon testing on Sunday. Dude, Ruffian, it's from the College Board? Dude, you should send me your results, Tejas. I will look at those for you, for sure. You took a mock? How'd you do, Rachel? Did you crush it? Top 0.3%? Oof. Yeah, it's tough, dude. Yeah, it is top 3%, I thought, because 0.3% is like barely anybody. So yeah, dude, definitely take your testing day as serious as possible. Oh, you're getting your results tomorrow? Dude, good luck, bro. Good luck. No, I wasn't in New York in high school, so I didn't go to a specialized high school. But I would have. Yeah, or maybe not. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. Like I said, like getting into a specialized high school is really sick, but it doesn't change who you are. Like you're always going to be who you are. So yes, you will be around smart people and that helps, but that doesn't change you. It doesn't make you smarter. Like I definitely know people who got into specialized high schools who really dislike them because it's just so hard and they're not like naturally hardworking kids, you know? Yeah. Thanks, Wiz. Yeah, the Robert Frost poem though. Oof. Yeah, dude. Those was it The Road Less Traveled? Was that the poem? Practice we could do on my site. Yeah. So let me actually direct you to that site. I think I'm gonna coming to a close today, dudes. So check it out. So here's my website, tylertutor.com. You can go there. If you go to tylertutor.com, how should I write this? If you go to slash, nah, hold on. Making it a bubble. All right, so here's the website. If you go to from there, you can go and you play DeepMind, which is a math precision game. I just released the second version, DeepMind 2, Winners Never Die. There's also math practice there that's actually really legit. There's some ELA practice, not as much, but you can actually practice the ELA. There's also a online test that is 1/3 of the length of a real test, and you can take all of these online. You can also download ELA sections and all that stuff. Most of this stuff, almost all of it, is like free. So it's like, yeah. So I'm going back to a childhood home. I don't know that Robert Frostbow, man. What a time to be alive. Yeah. Oh yeah, the hype music. I totally forgot. Hold on. Let me get the hype music going. All right. So end of the stream hype music, bros. So go to tylertutor.com if you need any like more work or you still want to grind. Also, I don't have the Discord link yet, but I will get that invite link up so you guys can get it from the description. Also, if I know you from the stream, I will answer your email within probably the same day. So you can email me if you come to the streams and I recognize your name. I get notifications on my phone, so I'll hit you back up real quick. tylertutortestprep@gmail.com. Yeah, so dudes, definitely there's a ton of stuff to be doing if you need to study. And dude, the people in the stream honestly are super smart. So what's the math score on my test? It's in the, I will say it's in the 700s. I'm not gonna tell you where in the 700s it is though, for sure. All right, dudes. So yeah, man, I'm gonna get out of here because I got stuff to do today. But yeah, dudes, I'm going to duck out. Let me get this nice and on the screen here. All right, dudes. So if you have any other questions, hit me up via email. You can always ask people in the stream. I'm gonna leave this chat up for a little bit so you guys can just bant on this. And yeah, dudes, we're gonna be streaming Monday through Friday on this channel. So definitely hit it up if you're gonna be like learning stuff. I don't know. My brain's kind of dead right now, so I'm gonna duck out. Peace, everybody.